This is Daphne's cooking show. Today we're making guacamole, so you'll need this volcano lime burst. I also used it for my key lime pie video if you watch that. Some lemon juice. 2 avocados. A knife and one of those squishy things. Some chips to dip it in at the end, and garlic salt. I am not using tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes that much. So, first, for the avocados, you'll take a knife. So, you want to kind of get around the edge. So, I think I got that. And then kind of pull it open. Then you can probably pull out this core. You gotta feel if it's soft, if it's ready. It's soft, it's ready. You'll have a compost bowl. I'm gonna wash my hands. So, pull them apart.
Maybe it wasn't quite right.
Can I have a towel? That part will get a little bit messy. So you can wash it. So then you'll take the peel off. It'll kind of just like come out of the peel. And put that in your compost bowl. You should probably be able to take it out with your hands. Be a bit hard, like staying together. So you do that with all 4 halves. Maybe a bit hard at the top sometimes. take volcano lime burst, and you can squeeze about a squeeze of that in. And then take your lemon juice, squeeze about a squeeze of that in. So then you take this garlic salt.
Careful.
Shake a little tiny bit in there, like that.
A little more.
About 2 tiny shakes. And then the hard part's kind of like smushing it. It's not that hard, kind of. Pretty much when you're done smushing it, it's done. You can add tomatoes to this recipe if you want. That would go like, you put that in last. Yes. This looks good. Is it good? You can actually kind of knife some of that out. So, you're done. I'm going to taste it. So it's pretty good. You can, I recommend you try it with these blue chips. You can try it with any chip you want though. So my mom taught me how to make this. Bye.